Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to mark as spam in Yahoo Mail. Spam emails clutter your inbox, may carry phishing links or malware. It can also reduce your productivity, so by marking spam correctly in Yahoo Mail helps you train the system to filter unwanted messages and keep your inbox cleaner. So first of all, launch open the Yahoo Mail application on your device, or you can also sign into your Yahoo Mail account via a browser. Either way, once you're logged in, you'll land in your inbox. From your inbox, select the email that you believe are a spam. Press and hold the email that you believe to be a spam and click on Mark as Spam in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, the selected email will be marked as spam and it will be moved to the spam folder. Any future emails from that sender should automatically be filtered to spam. If you find an email incorrectly sent to spam, go ahead and tap on the inbox drop-down at the bottom left and click on spam. Now, select the email that you put to spam and then go ahead and press and hold it and click on not spam, and this will be moved to your inbox folder. This returns it to your inbox and teaches the filter. So that's how you easily mark an email as spam on Yahoo Mail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.